Do what you got to do to get your name out there. And one tip I can give a new photographer is that anything you do, you have a Mercedes, you're a young 21-year-old guy and you have a brand new Mercedes and you go to a car wash, get your car wash, right?
Right.
Hey, those people at the car wash need to get married. Those
Yeah.
the cash register, the cashier at the grocery needs to get married one day, or doesn't need to, but they will eventually if they might get married. So hey, I'm a photographer. You're buying meat at the local grocery. I'm a photographer.
Right.
You're going out shopping, Nordstrom at the cashier. I'm a photographer. Those are all high end people at that
Business
store.
cards.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, and or Instagram. Hey, check out my work, or
Mm-hmm.
even like, let's say for example, you're at a nice department store. You're shopping, right? And you have pretty awesome like people there and trendy people, and you go. You know what? I think you'll look great if I take a picture of you. Oh,
Right.
what? You're a photographer? Yeah. So conversation opens up. So when you start having a conversation with somebody, that's
Mm-hmm.
advertisement right there. Hey, you know what? Guess what? I'm a photographer. Oh, guess what? That shirt looks really nice on you. Have you ever had a photo shoot done with that shirt on?
Right.
Or that shoes that you're selling me, or this and that? Basically, what I'm trying to say is whatever you do, I don't care what it is. Hey, I'm a photographer. Hey, I'm a
Right.
photographer. So get that. Yeah.